Going into an interview hoping for the best and you are guaranteed to fail. Welcome to episode number 6 of Career Capital, where we teach you how to succeed in job interviews. It's very, very simple. Prepare, prepare, prepare. How do we do that? You start to research in the company and its values. You're full with information. You go to the website. You look at other websites talking about the company. Second point, understand the job description deeply. There is no worse way than to go unprepared. Look at competitors, look at the people who are into similar roles, ask friends and research the job description. Tip number 3, know your own CV and be ready to introduce yourself in a clear and concise way. Start doing this and your successes will already skyrocket. We'll wait for you in episode number 7, where we continue this journey to success.